Hey Tom, do you want to play soccer today?
Sorry, Leo, I can't play today.
Why not? Are you busy?
Yes, my dad is coming to get me. We are going to watch a movie.
Wow, that sounds awesome. All right, see you later, Tom.
Bye, see you tomorrow. It is 4 p.m. Dad is usually very punctual. I can't wait to watch the new film. It is about a giant robot hero.
Driving through the city, feeling great. Yeah, this movie will be amazing. I already have 2 tickets ready. Whoa! Why did we stop? Look over there. There are cars everywhere.
It is 4:30 p.m. Where could he be? Maybe he is buying snacks. Or maybe he is looking for a parking spot. I will wait a bit longer. Oh, my stomach is rumbling. I am really hungry. This feels odd. Dad is never this late. Did he forget about me?
Come on, please move. Hey, blue car, don't push ahead. Oh no, the traffic is terrible. We are not moving at all. What? It is already 4:45 p.m. The movie begins at 5 p.m. Tom is waiting for me. He must be worried. I need to call Grace. Oh no. Please stay on. Where is my charger? Maybe in the glove compartment? No, I forgot it at work. My phone just died. This is awful.
We are definitely missing the movie. Dad, where are you? It is getting colder and darker.
Tom, is that you? Why are you still waiting here?
Hello, Mr. Smith. My parents still haven't arrived. I am getting nervous.
Don't worry. Here, take my phone. Call your parents.
Hello? Please pick up, Dad. Straight to voicemail. His phone is off.
Try your mom.
Mom is not answering either. Maybe she is driving.
Maybe the roads are completely packed. They should arrive soon.
Look, there is a yellow taxi. Wait, Mom taught me what to do in situations like this, and I know my home address. Mr. Smith, may I use your phone again?
To call your dad?
No, I want to send a message instead. It is quicker. Mom, Dad, don't worry. I am taking a taxi home. Sent. Now they will know where I am.
Smart thinking. All right, let's stop that taxi.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Be careful, Tom. Get home safely.
Good evening, young man. Where are your parents?
Good evening. I am heading home by myself today.
Oh, you are a brave kid. Do your parents know you are taking a taxi?
Yes. I already texted them.
Very good, young man. Excellent. You buckled your seatbelt.
My mom always says safety comes first. Please take me to 48 Wilson Street, District 12. Do you know where it is?
48 Wilson Street. Is that near the large swimming pool?
Yes. Drive past the pool and turn right near the park.
All right.
Our driver, why are we stopping at so many red lights?
It is rush hour, my boy. Everyone is returning home from work. Just like you.
My dad is driving too. Maybe he is caught in the same traffic. Excuse me, what is that device?
That is the meter. It tracks the distance and the fare.
It says $7 now. The number keeps rising.
Don't worry. We are almost there now. Here we are. 48 Wilson Street. Safe and sound.
The meter shows $9. Here is a $10 bill.
And here is your $1 change. Also your receipt.
Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful evening.
Tom! Tom! Where are you?
Sir, please relax. Stop yelling. Are you Tom's father?
Yes. Yes, I am Mike. Where is my son?
Why did you arrive so late? The boy waited here for a very long time.
I...
Don't worry. He is completely safe. He took a taxi home.
Oh, a taxi. Thank goodness. I need to get home right away.
Home at last.
That art competition was exciting.
Yes. The judge really liked your painting.
Really?
Yes. He said your artwork was beautiful.
Hello, Mom. Hello, Megan.
Hi, Tom. Hi. Wait. Where is Dad? Did he stay outside?
No. Dad is not here yet.
What? How did you get home?
I took a taxi. I came home on my own.
On your own? In a taxi?
Oh my goodness. Tom, are you all right?
I am okay, Mom. I paid with my own pocket money.
You frightened me so much. But I am very happy you are safe. You were very brave today, my little boy.
Tom! Thank goodness. I am so happy you are all right.
I am here, Dad. You are home.
Oh, Tom. I am really sorry. The traffic was horrible and my phone battery died. I couldn't contact anyone.
Calm down, Mike. He is safe now. None of us will forget this day. Next time, please check the traffic and leave earlier. This happened because of your mistake.
You're right. I should have planned better.
But Mum, Tom did an incredible job today. He was like a little hero.
Yes, you handled everything very well, Tom. But remember, traveling alone can be risky. Next time, stay where you are and wait for us. Okay?
Yes, Mom. I promise.
Parents, always arrive on time and teach your children important safety skills.
Today I had a very unusual taxi adventure. But friends, please do not go anywhere alone like I did. Always wait for your parents. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next stories. Bye!